and welcome to Artificial Intelligence, Section 1, Lesson 1. Welcome. What is artificial intelligence? Before we look at this lesson, I want to go over the culminating writing task that you'll be completing in Section 4 of this unit. Considering the various visions of the future of artificial intelligence portrayed throughout the text of the unit, how might its development be guided to benefit society but minimize harm? Do the benefits to society outweigh the potential harm AI might inflict on humanity? Today you will read an excerpt, pages 1 through 8, from Chapter 1 of Digital Soul, Intelligent Machines and Human Values, to develop a definition of artificial intelligence. You will discuss what artificial intelligence is and is not, and make a claim as to whether the full spectrum of human experience might be represented in digital form. You will add details about the definition of AI to the Understanding AI tool. Additionally, you will be introduced to the culminating writing task for this unit. For this lesson, you will need your reading response journal, noted as RRJ in today's lesson, the culminating task tool posted in today's lesson, Digital Soul, Intelligent Machines and Human Values, found on covering pages 1 through 8, found in today's lesson, and the Understanding AI tool found in today's lesson post as well. Here are our learning targets for this lesson. Can you define what artificial intelligence is? Can you make a claim and provide evidence to support that claim? You are going to read the unit overview and the central question of the guidebook unit. This will help you guide your work over the next several weeks. In this guidebook unit, we will explore the central question. How has artificial intelligence both challenged and benefited society? At the end of this guidebook unit, you will complete a culminating task to express your understanding of the unit tasks, topics, and the central questions. You will read several texts and build your knowledge, skills, and habits as you explore the central question. You will prepare to write by previewing the culminating task for the Artificial Intelligence Guidebook unit. This will help you to understand the task. Before you begin the guidebook unit, we're going to examine the culminating task prompt. To do so, you will need to open the culminating task tool posted in today's lesson. You will need to read the culminating task prompt and complete the Preview the Culminating Task Prompt section of the Culminating Task tool. That's going to be on page 2 of the tool. You will have 5 minutes to complete this activity. Now you will read pages 1 through 8 from Digital Soul, Intelligent Machines and Human Values independently to establish your understanding. Before reading pages 1 through 8 from Digital Soul, Intelligent Machines and Human Values, you will answer the questions to approach the text. The questions that you'll be answering are: what is the text type? And what do you understand about the text based on this information? You will answer these questions in your reading response journal. As you answer this question, I want you to think about the following. What is the text mainly about, its topic? What do you learn about the topic as you read? What stands out as important in the ideas in the text? Then you will read pages 1 through 8 from Digital Soul, Intelligent Machines, and Human Values independently. As you read, be sure to consider the reading focus. Locate the author's claim. You will have 15 minutes to answer the questions in your reading response journal and to locate the author's claim. Now you will react to pages 1 through 8 from Digital Soul, Intelligent Machines, and Human Values to establish your initial understanding of the text. You will react to those pages by developing your response to the questions in your reading response journal. What is artificial intelligence? And how is it different from and similar to conventional computation? And how is it similar to and different from natural intelligence? You will have 10 minutes to answer these questions in your reading response journal. Now you will use the Understanding AI tool to evaluate the information in pages 1 through 8 from Digital Soul, Intelligent Machines, and Human Values. This will help you deepen your understanding. You are going to review pages 1 through 8 from Digital Soul, Intelligent Machines, and Human Values. You will use the Understanding AI tool to evaluate the information in the text. You will record your thinking and relevant supporting evidence on the What is Artificial Intelligence section of the Understanding AI tool. You will need to be sure to include the appropriate citation for recorded evidence. That's going to be found on page 1 of your Understanding AI tool. Evaluate information simply means the process of identifying the position, claims, and evidence, and assessing the accuracy, relevance, and/or credibility of the information and ideas, evidence, and reasoning of a text. Readers evaluate information to deepen their understanding of a text. So you're going to define artificial intelligence based on the text. You will have 10 minutes to complete this activity. And be sure to jot down some of the topics that artificial intelligence covers in the box beneath the artificial intelligence box on page 1. You will answer questions about the information in pages 1 through 8 from Digital Soul, Intelligent Machines, and Human Values to deepen your understanding. You are going to write your response to the question to evaluate the information in pages 1 through 8 from Digital Soul, Intelligent Machines, and Human Values. You will write your response in your reading response journal. You will support your response with evidence from the text. The question that you will be answering is, can the human experience be represented in digital form? As you're answering these questions, I want you to think about the following. What does it mean to be human? Can everything about being human be represented digitally? Might it be able to in the future? Remember that evaluate information means the process of identifying the position, claims, and evidence, and assessing the accuracy, relevance, and/or credibility of the information and ideas, evidence, and reasoning of a text. You will have 5 minutes to complete this activity. Then you will answer the question in Nearpod before leaving this lesson. But before we get to that point, I'm going to go ahead and close out this lesson. Make sure that you complete the question in your reading response journal and that you answer the question in Nearpod before exiting this lesson. Congratulations! You have completed Section 1, Lesson 1 of the Artificial Intelligence Unit. In this lesson, you had defined what artificial intelligence is and made a claim and provided evidence to support that claim.